Okay, hello Cadet Rafiq. Good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay, so in here we will have our interview. So before we start, please tell me about yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am. For the first time, I will introduce myself. My name is Rafi Chandradika. I'm from Madiun City, East Java, and I am first child from three siblings.
Okay. How old are you?
Now I'm 20 years old.
20 years old. All right, good to hear that. Do you have any hobbies or interests?
My hobby is something about nature.
Nature?
Yes,
Do you like to hike or something?
yes, like hiking, swimming, and save the animal.
All right, good to hear that. Can you tell me about your personality?
My personality is, I don't know, people looks me like what, but I think I'm a good man, and I have a I have a motivation to improve myself to be better before that.
Okay, great to hear that. So you are a motivated person. Hmm. Now my next question is, why do you want to be a sailor?
Uh, I have two motivation to be a sailor. First is my father as a sailor, and second, I know that if be a sailor will be have a good salary, and
Oh,
sometime can travel around the world.
all right, good to hear that. So your target is to be recruited by international ships, merchant ship like that?
Yes, right, miss. I want to join a benefit company and get big salary.
Okay, so do you have any target company for now?
I have a company container like MSG,
Oh, I
like
see.
One High, and Max.
Oh.
Max.
Good. All right. Good to hear that. Now let's check your knowledge about the safety equipment. Wait a second. Okay. Can you tell me what is the primary function of safety harness?
Safety harness has a function to protect body when working at height.
Okay, good. Have you ever used safety harness?
Yes, when presentation with memory ni.
Oh, good. The next one. Okay, now please tell me what is safety helmet?
Safety helmet has a function to protect head from impact and falling object.
Okay. You are in technical department, right?
Right.
Okay, do you have any like significant color for your helmet?
Yes. When if the color like white, it is a shift engineer.
Okay. And then what about for you, for the technical cadet?
I'm I'm as a cadet use a orange helmet.
Okay, orange helmet. Okay, great. The next one. Please tell me about emergency light.
Emergency light to provide lightning and evacuation when ship blackout.
Okay. There are three colors of it, right?
Right.
Okay, can you tell me the function of each color?
Green to evacuation, yellow to red to emergency, yellow to
Yellow too?
I don't.
You don't remember?
Yes, I don't remember.
So that's correct. Green for evacuation, red for emergency or dangerous situation, right?
Yes, dangerous situation.
And then what about the yellow one? It is for the what?
Warning.
Warning. Okay, that's good. Now, my next question. What is the primary function of a life jacket?
Life jacket in Indonesian we said jaket pelampung. The function to keep people to floating when into the sea.
Okay. When someone fall into the sea, right?
When falling into the sea.
Oh, right. Have you ever fallen into the sea?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
And then what do you feel about that?
This is feel like
Did you panic like that?
no. The water is so salty.
The salty, okay. But did you use life jacket at that time? No.
Just what's the word?
Just your own body, uniform like that? Okay. Is it Pantai Marina? Or what kind of sea is that?
Yes.
Pantai
This is
Marina.
one.
Okay. All right. So this is the last question for the safety equipment. Why is a life buoy designed in a bright orange color according to IMO standards?
Because orange color have a brightness.
Brightness?
Yes, brightness
For what?
for saving people when falling into the sea.
Okay. So it will be easy to be seen, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Good to hear that you have the basic knowledge for the safety equipment. Now, my next question. What are the English terms used to describe a peaceful sea and a wavy sea?
Wavy sea.
Yes, what is the terms? What kind of terminology that we use to describe peaceful sea and wavy sea? What is laut tenang and laut bergelombang in English? What terminology did we use? Do we use?
Rauh sea and calm sea.
Okay. What is rough sea?
Rauh sea.
Yes. What is the meaning of rough sea?
Bergelombang.
Laut bergelombang. What about calm sea?
Laut tenang.
Yep, that's correct. Okay. And then, can you tell me the difference between fog
Yes.
and visibility?
Fog is kabut.
Okay, in Indonesia, right?
Yes, in Indonesian.
And then, what about visibility?
Visibility is like pandangan.
Yes,
Yes, Indonesian is pandangan.
pandangan or jarak pandang.
Yes.
We call it as jarak pandang, right? Okay, so do you think that two aspect is important?
Is too important when ship sail into the sea.
Okay. All right. Good to hear that. Okay, I think it will be my last question. So, what is the difference between chief officer and second officer?
Chief officer have a responsible to
Two?
chief officer.
Yes.
Maybe you can answer, but first engineer or second engineer.
Okay. Because you are in
Yes.
technical department. Yes, you can explain something that you know. It's up to you. You want to explain about chief engineer?
Yes.
Okay,
engineer.
please.
Chief engineer responsible for all of machinery in the engine room and make a watch list for working daily routine.
Alright. What about second engineer?
Second engineer have responsible for main engine and sometimes back up the chief engineer.
Alright. Great to hear that. Okay, good. I think that's all for our interview today. Do you have something more to say or enough?
Enough.
Okay, I think that's all for the interview. Thank you very much, Raffi.
Thank you, Miss.
Alright, thank you.